Hey you guys, welcome to another hair review. This is like an unboxing and a bit of a get ready with me. So my hair is from Supernova and I have the J99 Burgundy Body Wave Lace Front Wig. I'm missing a scene because it's right out the box and I bleached the knots, or I tried to bleach the knots, but it wasn't taking, but it's fine. So this is what the wig actually looks like on the inside. You got 3 clips, and it is a full lace frontal, I believe 4 inches deep. So I'm gonna just throw this bad boy on and just kind of see where we're at here. I like to do this step just to see what's going on. So luckily the knots in the very front are very small, and so those can easily be concealed with a bit of makeup. So right here, I'm just cutting the lace off. I'm trying to not do a perfectly straight line, trying to do it like a jagged edge. Remember Jagged Edge, guys? Jagged Edge singing group? Something like that. I'm just cutting a bit off the forehead because my forehead is pretty small. So is this is not transparent lace, but the lace color is so light that it's like perfect, and I didn't have to do anything to it. So it's actually really perfect for my skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Ghost Bond glue because we're committing, and I'm going to glue my wig down. So after the glue has dried a little bit, it's still sticky, I'm going to go ahead and place my lace frontal into the glue. And I'm going to put my frontal on section by section, starting with the forehead. Then I'm going to do the side and the other side. Just like that. And I'm letting the glue dry every time. So this is a crucial step to having your frontal lay nice and flat. It's tying it down. I don't always do it, but I decided to make sure I do it today. So it's time to get my makeup on and popping. Starting with my eyebrows, I just filled them in with a bit of this Morphe pot eyebrow stuff. And now I'm using this Fenty concealer to shape around my eyebrows. This concealer is actually pretty good because I don't have to set it with setting powder. It seems to dry pretty, I don't know what the word is, but it's not in the crease. Like, it doesn't go in the creases of my eye. So I don't have to set it. So now I'm going in. Isn't that so funny when makeup people say going in? I'm using the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetic palette. I'm using the colors as shown, the yellow, and now this kind of orangey peachy one. And finally, the shimmery peach color on my little lid there. Next, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty mattifying primer on my face. Guys, I never use primer. So I'm trying to get into it, and it really does actually make a huge difference. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't been wearing primer all my life. I guess I'm just trying to skip steps here. But this primer is actually pretty good. I'm using this NARS Luminous Foundation in the color Tahoe. So I think I got a bit of a tan this summer, and this is just looking super pale on me. It's fine because I kind of bring the color back with the bronzer, but it does look a little crazy to begin with. Now I'm highlighting underneath my eyes and my forehead, nose, chin with this Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm mixing the two colors together. I don't remember what colors they are. Blend that out, and I'm going to set it with some Huda Beauty translucent powder. And for contour, I'm going to be using this MAC bronzer. I just find it easier. It just blends out naturally, and it brings the color that I kind of want back into my face, like that warmth. So that's what I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to be using this Revlon Vinyl Lip Color, and I love these colors. They last forever. They actually last forever. So I don't know what color this is, and it's going to last me for the entire day. So I'm just putting that over this kind of color I kind of used for a lip liner. And don't forget about lashes. Bam! Love these lashes. People actually think these are individual lashes, funnily enough. But anyways, moving on. What are we doing? Okay, just touching up the sides. All right. So I don't know what's next. I'm waiting for me to do the next thing. Oh, I'm done. Am I done? I see. So we're doing her hair. Okay, good, good. I thought so. We were done. So I'm just going to straighten the hair real quick. But I was gonna wear it straight, but then I decided that I actually wanted to curl it. So I'm just here trying to figure out what it is I actually want to do. And I decided, forget it, girl. I'm gonna curl this hair real quick. That is what I'm gonna do. So let me get curling. So I'm back from curling this bad boy. And right now I'm going to make me a part. So what I'm going to do is use some of my mousse to kind of set the hair to go in the direction that I want it to go in. And then I'm just going to blow dry that dry. And the part will actually stay in place. Okay, guys, this is how I set my part. And I'm using my handy dandy Dyson blow dryer. It's crazy powerful. It's the most powerful handheld device I think I've used. But yeah, it does a really, really amazing job. Dries hair super, super, super fast. And because I didn't have a stocking cap under this wig, I'm just gonna go with some foundation just to create an elusive scalp part. I'm just brushing it in there just to make it look more natural. And I'm done! Beautiful. This hair color, I love it so much. I wore it to Caravana and I was getting so many compliments on this wig. It just really stood out and people were just honestly loving it. But let me change my shirt, y'all. That's right, I hit him with the shirt change. But this is the end of my get ready with me. If you guys love this hair color on me, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And be sure to click the link in the description box to this wig and to Supernova's hair store, guys. I'm done for now. Comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!